Leander ISD wants to hear from you about how we can improve as a school district. Through partnerships with the University of Texas at Austin and K-12 Insight, we're asking for students, parents, and staff to take confidential surveys to share feedback on academic programming, student support, parent engagement, leadership, operations, safety, and more. The survey is offered in English and Spanish, and it can be taken from any computer, tablet, or smartphone. And remember, all results are confidential. Parents, K-12 Insight will email you an invitation and survey link. You can also access the survey at leanderisd.org/survey18 through February 23rd. Schools will provide students in grades 3 through 12 an opportunity to complete the survey during the day. For our LISD team, the University of Texas will send employees an email message with a link to the survey. Please look for a message from the email address c_survey1@austin.utexas.edu. And thanks for helping Leander ISD continuously improve.